think I'll have to do once more. InvestorsIdiots.com offers comprehensive subscription plans that will benefit you for your lifetime. You not only receive guidance on investments in equities, bonds, currencies, and commodities, but you learn to manage your portfolio like a professional money manager. The world of investments is now global rather than local, and you learn to navigate the global currency markets and its impact on your investments. You learn the fundamentals of equity, fixed income, and currency markets. You will take the right decisions on how to save and spend your money. You are supported on your investments by real time analysis of markets, economy, and central bank policies. Podcasts and videos complement the written content. You get to interact with Arjun Parsati and his team through webinars, con calls, and emails where you get answers to all your queries on markets, fundamentals, and investments. You have dedicated customer service for all subscription and website user related queries. Your subscription will give you access to all archived content plus all future content for 1, 2, or 3 years, depending on the subscription plan. You also become a member of the loyalty program that gives you subscription renewal benefits. Subscribe now for lifetime benefits. Investment guidance is given to you through the Selecting Stocks for the Future series, Fixed Income Investing series, and Link Between Currencies, Commodities, and Equity series. The Selecting Stocks for the Future series gives you recommendations on stocks to buy for your portfolio and when to buy and when to sell the recommended stocks. 10 Best Nifty Stock Portfolio is released every year, while a long term portfolio with stock weights, sector weights are given. Portfolios are monitored closely and recommendations are sent on any changes to the portfolio. The Fixed Income Investing series is specific for your fixed income portfolios. You will know what fixed income products to invest in to optimize your returns from your fixed income investments. The Link Between Currencies, Commodities, and Equities series analyzes policies of global central banks and governments and then guides you on currency and commodity markets. You will understand which currency is strengthening and which is weakening, and which commodity is strengthening and which commodity is weakening. This series is most important for your investments. Knowledge is extremely important for your investments. We give you tutorials on equity and fixed income investments and take you through how to manage your portfolio in a professional manner. Knowledge will last you for your lifetime. Equity investments tutorials is aimed to take you through fundamentals of equity investments through practical content. You will learn to do your own stock and sector research. Fixed income investments tutorials breaks down fixed income investments and markets for you to understand. You will learn to look at fixed income markets in a more knowledgeable light. The Learn to Be Your Own Fund Manager series will make you manage your portfolios the way a professional fund manager would. You will learn about investment philosophies, stock universe, and portfolio weights, among many other things. Your portfolio performance will be optimized if you manage your portfolio well. This is not all. Ravi's series on personal finance helps you solve day to day issues on saving and spending. If you like to trade, you learn to manage your trading capital through the Upgrading Your Trading Skills series. Weekly equity and fixed income market analysis keeps you up to date on markets. Monthly market analysis gives a report on how markets globally behaved and how they will behave in the future. Monthly economic analysis studies economic data to analyze its impact on markets. RBI policies are analyzed extensively, and so is the yearly union budget. All relevant issues are analyzed for general consumption and delivered through podcasts and articles. We hold regular webinars and con calls with our subscribers for live interactions. You can also email Arjun Patsati and his team of analysts for any queries you may have on markets, fundamentals, and investments. Our dedicated customer support team will assist you on subscription and other related queries. We have 1, 2, and 3 year subscription plans, the pricing of which is rupees 20,000 USD $400, rupees 35,000 USD 650, and rupees 50,000 USD 950. You can pay through credit card, debit card, net banking, fund transfer, or check deposit. International subscribers can pay through PayPal. Thank you and subscribe. Thank you very much.